What's happening, guys? Got a box of Signature Stars in the mail today. Let's get busting. 4 hits, I think. Yeah, 4 hits. Last box I did had 9 hits. Or not 9, 5 hits. See what gems we can pull out of here. We got a Gordon Beckham, top prospects. Hopefully I can finish a base set. Looking for Bryce Harper. Still have the base from the other box, so I should be able to finish the set. Colton Wong. I'll just keep them all in one stack. We got a hit in this one. Yep. Rick Haig, jersey card. Alright. Neftali Feliz. I hope you can see my face. Just kidding. Aw, damn it. Alright. Whatever. Brian Ruggiero, jersey auto. Gerardo Parra. Sure, the other one's going to be a crappy Impressions auto. Nice, Manny Machado. I like Manny Machado. I like Thailand. Oh my god. Alright. How about the best pitcher in baseball? Micah Owens. Another hit, Tony Walters jersey. And that's my 4 hits. Sick. Last one I opened had 5 hits. Signed, sealed, and delivered. I do like this stuff though. I do like prospects and USA cards. They're nice. Garrett Cole. Rob pulled a nice Garrett Cole patch the other day. Nice. Talon, whatever his name is. I always called him Tie-In, and some dude PM'd me and told me I was wrong. Base. 2 packs left. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. Tim Lincecum. I thought it was autographed. And the last pack. Base. Alright. Not too great of a box. I do see a Brian Roberts base on top right there. Sick. For the PC. Alright. So, we'll see you sometime this week. Peace.